Okay guys, welcome back with another me flying an airplane. Welcome back to another video. It's not looking very good in terms of the weather. All I can say is that it looks like it's just going to be a bit grey and a bit silly. But again, no problem for me. Oh. This plane is a bit suicidal sometimes. It tries to do stuff that I don't want it to do. Like, for example, crash inside of a tree. Like it's doing about now. And it crashed into a tree. Crashed into a tree. But I was able to save it. It's only light. Gotta correct the trim. Gotta continue flying it. I think I'm going to move a bit, so I don't have to deal with the tree in my way, so that would be nice. I'm just going to go a little bit more forward. Only a bit though. There we go. That seems good. Oop. Died for a second there. Too much trim. Gotta give it a bit of an up trim. Go. Bit of up trim. Crap, what the hell was that? Oh, snap. Okay, so the propeller completely just came off its shaft. Okay, so the propeller just completely come off its shaft. So, well, I've got to put that back on. Oh snap. Okay, I'll see what's happened. Oh, I'm going to take the motor out. What it actually is. Should fix it temporarily. Okay. Or maybe not. Okay. It's still not happy. Okay, very bad news. The propeller don't want to spin without flying off into the distance due to the stupid glue paste thing that's used to hold it down has like weared away. Really, really bad. So I've had to apply my own glue to it, my own glue stick, and now I've got to wait until that dries so I can start using it again. So until that dries, I can't really fly it. Well, without the engine, but I still can fly it using a glider. So, we're going to get some glider shots. As much as I wanted to do full flights, it seems like at the moment I can only afford to do gliders without actually losing anything. So I'm just going to put the motor to the side, because that's probably the direction that it's most likely to go in. Then I can just get throwing then. Won't be as good, but it's better than nothing. Actually, it would be even better. You know, I might take the prop off. It's going to be a pretty difficult thing to get off, but okay, fine, I'll have it your way. Ha! Ha ha! Got it! I've got the motor off, so I don't need to worry about, you know, accidentally spilling it up and ruining the entire thing, the entire gluing process. Might be a bit too much glue, but I think I can just undo some of it, or the prop can undo some of it itself. And I'm going to put the prop in my bag. Now I can I'm just doing this so all the glue can get off. Ice cream! And the ice cream van is gone. But, okay, so this should fix all my problems. I can still use as a glider. As much as I want to do powered flights, I can still use it as a glider. So now I'm going to shove it in to stop it from getting damaged while gluing. Doesn't really matter if I activate it or not, or not. I can just do as much as I like. Alright. Haha! It's quite fun. Oh.
Yeah. I know, yeah.
Oh.
Thank you anyway.
Oh.
Alright, thank you, man. See you later.
Test out its gliding skills.
Every time I go down with that, she's got this thing. I think I told her, she's got this thing on the wall.
That's not good. Careful.
She's got this thing on the wall.
Yeah.
And I love it. I don't know why. I love it. It's anything doing it. But I just think it's really young.
I just realised you guys can't see one. There you go. I'm going to take the gear out.
Oh, that's what I'm thinking.
Come on, this way.
That's what I'm thinking.
Go. Right.
Come on, this way.
Imagine snow days.
Oh no.
Let's go forward a bit. I want to go on this. Come on.
Does it do flips on that? Does it spin on that?
Yeah.
This way. Do some tricks.
It's just not working. It's not working properly. I gotta wait until we got home to fix it, so I'm just kind of using it as a glider.
Oh, dear. Oh, so we use it one time
Grass landing. Whoa. Good fun out here. There you go. Right, look at this. I call this the loop tiller. Oh, snap. Okay, wrong type of loop. Still clutch though. There we go. Woo! Hey! Look at that. Even with no engine, it's still fun. Ow. It's basically just a controllable glider at the moment. I will add the prop back on when it's rideable. In the future, there's a double one. God, the heavens bless me with the wind. Bless me with wind, heavens above. So I want to cruise for hours on end. Ready for half a higher now. If I had a taller mountain to do some taller slopes with, then I can probably do a bit better. But I'm happy with this. Whoa! Oh, ah, what? It's plopped out right in the air. Look. Whoa! Loop to loop. Ah. Well, I did the loop to loop, it just failed. Loop to lead. Come on. Ah, no, I failed. Nice landing though. Okay, loop to loop. Or just a pit stall. Yeah, I need power. Whoa. There we go. Hey, there we go. Absolutely zero wind right now. Again, would be perfect for flying. Whoa. I blew up. Oh. Yeah, thanks. Oh, I did it! I did it! I did it! I did a loop to loop. Oh, I see it. I blew up into smithereens and stuff. Okay, I think it's done, guys. I think it's ready. Not too sure how am I supposed to get it out without damaging anything. The plan is could just put the motor on. Yo, I fixed it. Guys, I fixed it. I should have fixed it. This should fix it. I actually did it, guys. I actually did it. I actually bloody did it. I actually fixed it. Let's go. Hold on. Has my mum texted me by any chance? Nope, no one's texted me. It's totally fine. Yes. You know what this means? I can finally fly it. A bit low because the battery's a bit low. And it died. And the battery's gonna die. Not great. Nice to know we finally fixed it. Sad to know that now it's going to die because it's going to run out of power. Whoa! Come on! Hold it! Hold flying pattern! Hold flying pattern! Hold flying! It's dying, bro. But I did it. I did it. I bloody did it. I did it. After 40 minutes of trying to troubleshoot this engine, I have finally done it. Yeah, I'm not flying that. Finally troubleshooted the problem. I fixed it. The battery's a little low. Stop it just before it hits the ground. Yes. It started to break. Come on. Good enough. I'll take it. Yes. W. After hours. After an hour. I fixed it. Right, I'm going to try and climb as much as I can. Okay. Yeah, it's not able to climb. It's out of battery. What did you say, though? Higher.
雪球呢？看到吗？
I could just about cruise.
Switch on it?
Oh, oh, oh. No, stay away.
Yeah, I see. Come out. Switch on it?
No problem.
Yeah, no problem. Come out.
How old's that one?
Yeah, right here. Right here.
Come on,
Yeah. My dog is very tiny.
come on. Maintain.
He's 11.
Oh,
Never.
Oh, come here.
wasn't able to hold. It's dying by the minute.
Pass that age now.
Husky. Husky. Strong dog. What's called?
So smooth, so slow.
So tail is cut or
It's a bit less aerodynamic now, but
One of those years ago. Come on in now. You can let me go in on tour of them. Don't do your boardings there.
Come on. Fichona?
That's fantastic, Gary, son, eh? How long does it last before the battery runs out?
yeah, it's already on the way out.
On the way out, is it?
Yeah, it's almost dead.
Yeah.
I can tell because it can only last like.
What's that thing there then?
Oh, this
Yeah.
thing.
Oh, you got the one on the floor. Oh, is that your phone?
Yeah, that's my phone.
I thought you was doing that.
No. I'm gonna see how far I can get it that
You
way.
took photographs over here.
Yeah,
Oh, smashing.
I'm gonna see how far I can get it that way because I'm gonna have to go that way to go home. So it's just less walking for me to do. Okay. Okay, let's see how far you can go before it runs out of battery.
Oh,
Hey,
it's
hey,
doing good, eh?
Okay. Wants to fly back. Okay.
Oh, you got to go fetch that now.
Yeah.
Come on, man.